Good morning, students. Grade 8th, subject Computer Science. In previous class, what we learned? We learned about HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. See, one of the scripting language. It's not a programming language. It's used to create web pages. So, okay, what is the first version of HTML? HTML 1.0. Now, what is the latest version? HTML5. We are using HTML5. So, HTML uses predefined set of elements to identify content types. So, element contain one or more tag. The element content is everything between start and end tag. Empty elements are closed in the start tag. Now we are going to learn about HTML tags. So tags, what is tags? Tags are surrounded by angle brackets and the closing tag is prefixed by forward slash. And tags and its respective attributes are used to create HTML documents that you can view them in any browsers. In previous class we learned some HTML tags. What are they? HTML head, title, body. So HTML define HTML document and head is define information about the document and title is define the document of the title and body is denoted body of the document. Next we see about B tag. B tag means bold tag. The B tag in HTML is used to indicate the importance of the text. It's very important for text. The text written within B tag display in bold size. If you want to set the text bold means we use B tag. You can do that by using CSS. There is similar tag, strong tag. That has a similar effect on content. If you want to give the text bold means we want to give between B and /B. Next we see about I tag. I tag in HTML is italic tag. I tag defines a part of text, one of the part of text. The content inside is typically displayed in italic. First we will learn B tag, bold tag. Next we will learn I tag, italic tag. If you want to underline the text means we use U tag. Next we see about BR tag, breakup. Some HTML elements have empty content. Example BR slash. Empty elements are closed in the start tag. Next we see about heading tag. HTML headings are defined H1 to H6. The H1 is most important heading. The H6 define the least important heading. You see this example H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Next we see about output. Now you see this output of that program. Heading 1 to heading 6. Heading 1 to heading 6 decrease the font size. So the heading 1 is the most important heading and heading 6 is the least important headings. Now we are going to learn about paragraph tag. So P tag is a paragraph tag. Paragraph of text. It is a black level element and always start on new line. Whenever we give P tag, the paragraph will start on new line. Before and after each paragraph, browser add margin automatically. This is the HTML page structure. We want to write any program in HTML means you follow this structure. First one we want to write first one HTML. Next heading tag. Next title tag. Title tag we want to write the title for page means we want to give between title and /title. Next closing tag of heading tag. Next body tag. We want to give the information or paragraph. We want to write the paragraph means give between body tag and closing tag of body tag and closing tag of HTML tag. This is the one of the format of to write the HTML program. Now you see this example for paragraph tag. First one document type HTML. So whenever you write the HTML program, first you write document type HTML, next HTML tag, next body tag. We want to give any information or any paragraph means you give between body tag and starting tag of paragraph tag. So this is a paragraph, this is a content. Next, closing tag of paragraph tag. This is the first paragraph. Next we want to write another paragraph, means we give once again paragraph starting tag of paragraph tag. Next this is the content, this is another paragraph. So next closing tag of paragraph tag. Next closing tag of body tag, closing tag of HTML tag. So you see this output, this is a paragraph, next this is another paragraph. So whenever you give p tag or paragraph tag, the paragraph start in new line. Next you see this example for bold and italic. So here using b tag, bold tag. So the text is displayed in bold format. So here using I tag. So the text is displayed in italic format. So okay, do you understand this lesson? Yes, I think you understood about this lesson. Thank you.